In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in the Wix Mobile Editor. Whether you're tweaking your online store or personal blog, ensuring your content is mobile friendly is crucial. So let's dive in and get straight to it. First things first, you need to switch the view in Wix to mobile. Begin by entering the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. As you glance up at the top bar, you'll notice several icons. Among them is a mobile icon shaped like a phone. Click on it. This action seamlessly transitions your workspace into mobile view. It's essential to view your site as your mobile users would, ensuring everything is perfectly tailored for smaller screens. Next, let's move on to the text you wish to edit. Simply click on the text element itself. Once you do, a helpful text toolbar will instantly appear, providing you with various editing options. You have the freedom to change the text content promptly, meaning you can adjust words, modify headings, or insert paragraphs as needed. If you're aiming for a certain style or vibe, play around with the font options. You can experiment with different font families, adjust the size, and even add a touch of bold or italic to make your text stand out. Additionally, color choices can be altered here, allowing you to perfectly align with your brand's palette. Text alignment can also be adjusted, offering you the choice of positioning your text to the left, center, or right, depending on what suits your design best. Our final focus is on adjusting the size and position of your text. Once you've made your content edits, it's time to ensure that everything fits attractively within the mobile layout. Click and drag the text box to reposition it as you see fit. Wix provides handy handles to give you control over resizing the text box, so your content fits tidily without awkward breaks. This step is more than just aesthetics. It's about functionality too. If the text looks cramped, try adjusting the line spacing or letter spacing. These little tweaks can significantly enhance readability, making sure your audience can engage with your content effortlessly. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to editing text within the Wix Mobile Editor. It might feel straightforward, but these steps are integral for creating a coherent and polished mobile experience for your visitors. As you practice, you'll find these changes becoming second nature, crucial in keeping your site both up to date and accessible from any device. Keep experimenting with style choices and layout tweaks, ensuring your website consistently delivers the message you intend. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!